Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm back with another delicious recipe that is of beef karahi. As you guys can see that it's so creamy in texture and looks so yummy. So let's get started, but before that, if you are new to my channel, go and click red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for latest updates. For beef karahi, first of all I have washed beef very well and then put it in the pressure cooker, and then we will add 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 4 medium sized sliced onions, in spices we're gonna add some salt to taste. I'm using 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, and 3 tablespoon national korma masala. You can use any brand as of your choice. Now just give it a good mix and add 4 tomatoes, cut it into half, 2 glasses of water, and give pressure for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes pressure, it will look like this. Just remove tomato skin like I'm showing to you. After giving it a very good mix, convert it into a wok or karahi because it's beef karahi recipe, so karahi is must. Now keep your flame high and add half cup ghee or oil. अच्छे से इसको मिक्स कर लेंगे and we'll cook it on high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes or until its water dries up. Now add 1.5 cup of yogurt in a grinder, some green chilies and 2 to 3 ginger pieces. Now grind it very well. Now add the yogurt mixture in it. This is the most important step of this recipe because it will make this recipe more creamy and more delicious. Now after giving it a very good mix, let it cook until its water dries up. और जितनी आपको ग्रेवी पसंद है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप यहाँ पे इसको कुक करेंगे. बीच बीच में इस तरीके से हम स्पून को हिलाते रहेंगे. You guys can see that oil separates and we have got the texture we just wanted. So we will turn off the flame and I'm gonna show the texture to you. Look how perfect the texture is. For garnishing, add some chopped fresh coriander leaves, sliced ginger and lemon. It was my most requested recipe video and I really hope that you will love trying it. Until next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.